Subscribe to the Writer's Block YouTube channel now for your chance to win $50 each week. Who will make it? Who will fall? The clock is ticking. This is a platform where your skills are put to the test. From the moment that the beat drops, each artist will have exactly 3 hours to complete a hit record. If not, they will have fallen victim to the writer's block. Do you have what it takes? Are you up for the challenge? Or are you afraid that your time will expire before your song is complete? Subscribe now and find out which artist will fall to the writer's block.
No surf browsing, we just work houses. Lows weigh as much as Big Pun on his first album. You ever been up in the raid with fast search houses? Bra stuffing raw in they bra before they search couches? The bricks kept in the church.
I kept saying thank you. We're gonna move down a little bit, Smack, because you know they're gonna come out here and make mad noise. I kept saying thank you.
Don't jump in my video. Don't jump in my video.
Smack, how you feeling, man?
I'm feeling great, man. You know what I'm saying? Just had another, you know what I'm saying, classic event. You know, to end off the year. You know, 2019 was a crazy, successful year for, you know what I'm saying, the BRC, battle rap culture. And, you know what I'm saying? Yo, don't walk through my shit like that ever in your life. I don't care if it was anybody else, it'd have been a problem. Like I was saying, 2019 was a crazy year for battle rap. You know what I'm saying? It just feel good to just, you know what I'm saying, provide the culture with nothing but, like, you know what I'm saying, classic shit.
I'm not gonna lie, man. That's a great way to end the year. Unless you got some, like, you know, surprise at the end of the year.
Nah,
but that
done,
right,
man. I'm
that
going
right there.
I'm going to Disney World, man.
He said I'm going to Disney World, man.
I'm going to Disney World.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm chilling. I'm gonna take the babies and I'm chilling.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm tired.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me and my brothers put it in for this year.
Yeah, you deserve it.
You know what I'm saying? I'm talking BET Awards. I'm talking Rhythm and Flows. I'm talking apps. I'm talking events.
Yeah,
I'm talking
consistency.
Facts. You know, that's what we do, though.
Smack, you don't like to call them early, but you have a couple of them. At least 3 of them classics tonight, man. I'm gonna let
I got a possible 3. I got a definite 3.
And a possible. So you say shit.
4.
Okay.
4.
It's a strong 4. You know what I mean? So okay. How do you feel about that? It's obviously when you put the card up, y'all make the calls and all that. It's up to the battlers to come and produce.
I mean, yeah,
and they showed the fuck out.
We try to put the matches that the culture want to see. We trying to basically provide the fans, you know, the entertainment that they deserve, and that's our objective. You know, that's been my objective. Been doing this shit since 2010. We 10 years in, a decade. Strong.
I heard
like,
you.
You know what I mean? Been consistent, never stopped. Kept it moving, and provided a new form of hip-hop entertainment that the world can appreciate and love.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, that's what it is.
And congrats to it. Now, you know, we don't want to fast forward, but, you know, this is like you say, you're going to take a break. Gonna relax, enjoy your fruits of your labor.
Yeah, I get a little 2-3 weeks off.
Yeah, you should.
I feel that's well deserved.
Yeah, leave a message. You know what I mean? Yeah,
that's well deserved. You know what I mean? Let me get 2 weeks, get my mind right, get back in the gym, get ready to, you know what I'm saying? Fuck shit up for 2020.
Yeah. And, you know, we already know how you move and the team moves. You know, obviously you already have your obviously at least probably half the year planned out, or at least, maybe the first quarter. Come on, Smack, we know you're not playing. Come on, man, So, with that said, you got the lady.
2020, I'm taking shit to another level. I'm letting niggas know that now, right here on Hip Hop Is Real. Like,
that's the exclusive.
Like, serious shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna talk too much. But put your seatbelts on and we're gonna go for a ride.
2020.
We're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go for a ride.
There was
ride
out. Yeah, there was a lot of predictions that 2019 would be the best year in battle rap ever, and pretty much stood up to that. You know what I mean? And you closing it off with this. You know what I mean? So hopefully we get something for Christmas, Smack. Hopefully we get one of them classes for Christmas on the app or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? But woo-wee. Chilling and rum. I had to thank you a couple times for that one, you know what I mean?
Third down, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, Smack. Like, you know what I mean? Come on, Smack.
No bars like, yo.
Yeah. Yo, I had to say.
Thank you.
Matter of fact, like, how do you feel with someone like Chilla? He's been gone for a while. Obviously, he came back with Steams early in the year, but...
Chilla always been like, you know what I'm saying?
And you respect that.
A pen master.
Thank you, Smack.
You know what I'm saying? And, he wanted to explore, like, you know what I mean, a different route for his career.
Okay,
so,
yeah.
you know, I ain't mad at that. I support, you know what I mean, all these MCs and the decisions that they make. But, like, at the end of the day, they know where the real is at. You know what I'm saying? So he's back into his grind. You know what I'm saying? He over here on real nigga time.
Yeah.
That's it.
Looking better than ever. Looking better than ever.
Real good. So, you know, he make magic over here.
Yeah.
So it all makes sense. I'm gonna make and put the matches together that's gonna make sense for him.
Okay.
So he can continue to build on his legacy.
Yes.
That's what I do for all the MCs. You know what I'm saying? I try to do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, that's how we make classics.
Yes, sir. Now, speaking on, you know, you trying to give the culture matches, you know, they want to see. The young guy Chess was in there rumbling with us. Rumbling with us, you know what I mean? A lot of people say.
When you hear I got a guaranteed 3, possible 4, that's one of the guarantees, you heard? That battle right there was one of the definites.
Yes.
That's one of the definites.
Yes.
Chess versus Arsenal was crazy.
It's what they wanted, you know what I mean? People thought Arsenal was gonna come in there and play around. No, sir. No, sir.
Mr. Disrespectful.
Yeah.
Came through on his bullshit.
Yeah.
Chess, you know what I mean, held it down for the whole younger generation on his bullshit.
Yes, sir.
It's classic shit, man.
Yeah. Now with that being said, Smack, you know, Sean said early in the year that Chess gotta do a couple more of them good things. I think we did, Smack. I think we did, Smack.
You heard him. Yo, Smack, put me to the side.
Okay.
Nigga.
Yeah.
Yo, listen. He's ready. He's ready. He's one of mine.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay.
He's ready.
Yeah.
I'm always, you know what I mean, bang, you know what I mean, cake gang, cake life, cave gang.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? My little bro ready, you know what I mean? He got his head on his shoulder. He knows what he got to do. He ain't playing with nobody. He's focused, and I'm going to make sure he stay on track.
Yeah. One thing I can say, too, like, you know, you showed a lot of love to the battle tonight. Like, even with Chilla in the second round, he's like, yo, man, that was crazy. You know, even with Ace, too, after the battle, you told him, like, you know, yo, just polish it up a little bit.
Yeah. You know, we call spades, you know what I'm saying?
Real.
I mean, he kind of checked me. I was like, good shit. He's like, no, it wasn't. He kind of like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he humbled up.
He felt that, you know what I'm saying? He could have delivered a better performance, which I believe, too. But, like, you know what I mean? He still came out. He wasn't feeling well. He fought through it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? He ain't try to pull no.
Yeah.
Feeling good, and you know what I mean. So I respect, you know what I'm saying, him on that note. But like, you know what I mean, his shit was alright. His shit was official too.
Humble.
You know what I'm saying?
Humble.
This is my life. I love my city, but most people can't escape the trap. No more applause, no more my man getting clapped. We tend to oversee what the real problems are. Instead, we try to forget them. Sitting at the bar, it's time to take a stand for every ounce of pain. Become adults, no finger waving, let's take the blame. Let me spit the truth, what the people want to hear. Vazina flow, making sure that you see.
I woke up and gave a conscious effort to make sure you small minds get the larger message. Fuck the paper, fuck the